So today we'll do the question number 4, part number 3 of exercise 3.5. The question is not so difficult, it's the easy one, but try to understand it properly. Here Yash scored 40 marks. He'll get 40 marks. When he will get 40 marks, when 3 marks for each right answer he's getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. So this will be the first condition of our question. When number scored by the Yash is 40, at that time he's getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. And what about the second condition? Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer. This is the second condition, when he's getting 4 marks for each correct answer and 2 marks have been deducted for each incorrect answer. At that time Yash would have scored 50 marks. If the condition is this, the second one, he will score 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So we have to find out the total number of questions in the test. So for doing this question, we have to suppose two things here. First one, let the number of questions attempted right is equals to x and the number of questions attempted wrong equals to y. Then the total number of questions will be x plus y. Now apply the first condition here. He'll get total 40 marks. When he scored 40 marks, he scored 40 marks for each, if he's getting 3 marks for each right answer. First of all, you tell me, if you have attempted 3 questions and for each answer you are getting 3 marks. So how many number you'll get?
9.
3 into 3. Again, suppose if you have done 1 question right and that is correct and you are getting 3 marks for each correct answer, then how many marks you'll get?
3.
3. In the same way, if the question attempted right equal to x and for each right answer is getting 3 marks, so total marks he will get in this way. What will be the total marks there?
3x plus
3x.
plus y.
These are the numbers which he is getting, but he is also losing the marks for each wrong answer. He lose 1 mark. So how many total marks he'll lose? Y into 1, that means 1y.
Minus y.
3x, the number is getting, 1y, the number is losing, and 3x minus 1y is the total number according to the question is 40. So this is the first condition. Now move to the second condition. In second condition is saying that 4 marks have been awarded for each correct answer. That means 4x. Similarly, for incorrect answer, 2 marks been deducted. That means minus 2y, and still is getting how many marks he'll get? Equals to 50. Okay, so these two are the conditions, number 1 and this is number 2. Now I'm having these two equations, number 1 and 2, and if you'll see this second equation, can you take anything common here? Tell me. Can you take
2.
anything common here?
2.
2. After taking common, what you will get? You'll get
2x
minus y equals to 25. And this first equation we have 3x minus y equals to 40. Now I'm having these two equations, and for solving x or y, just see here both the coefficients are same, so I can apply the elimination method. So for doing that, I'm subtracting these two equations. This is minus, it will be plus, minus, and these will cancel out. 2x minus 3x is minus x, and 40 minus 25 plus 25 and minus 40 will be
minus 15.
minus 15, and this will cancel out. This is x is equals to 15. Now put this value of x in equation number, let's say 1, So what I get? Tell me. Have to give me the answer. This will be 3 into 15 minus y equals to 40.
Minus y equal to minus 5.
45 minus y equals to 40. Or we can write it like 45 minus 40 equals to y. And you'll get the y is equal to 5. Now y is equal to 5. X is equal to 15. So total number of question will be total number of question will be x plus y. That means 20. So 20 will be the answer.